Tamam, bizim tanıştığımız yer doğru. Olur inşallah. Allah bak orada bir şeyler. Ses dinliyor. Ses dinliyor. Sessiz. Var mı? Var da ses. Tamam.
there anytime. I know all the amazing. As you can see, there's a lot. How many people? Thanks very much. Lazım onlar lazım. Anyway, thanks for the help. Thanks a lot. And yeah, he's aware of it.
Are they going to give interview? That's nice.
İnsanlar bir çadır falan.
Abi bunlar kimseyi
and then the local emergency management services will basically sectorise the disaster zone and they'll dish out an area to teams to go to. So we've had this massive area basically the UK. It's not like a house is full. All residential, like 6-8 tons. Walking down the street, we've got a structural engineer as well. Basically, the stairwell is not the same place to be. However, it might be. That's up into this building here, through that building, through this building, into it. It's like, you imagine like, first of all, thanks for taking your full name and your title. Yes, Martin Foran. I'm working for the UK International Search and Rescue Team. We're out of the UK government, and we're here in Hatay just to come and help the people of Turkey and help out with this disaster. So I work for Greater Manchester Fire and Rescue Service. The UK International Search and Rescue Team is made up of 15 different fire services that all come together to respond to international disasters and help people all over the world.
And we've heard about the 77 from the UK.
Yeah, that's right. I'm one of the operational commanders on scene. We're currently trying to rescue a young lady in the building you can see behind me. The operations have been ongoing for a number of hours now. We're really hopeful in the coming hours and maybe even the coming day that we'll be able to reach.
Tell us more about that. How do you know that she was in there? What's your plans on it?
Okay, so we're using a lot of local intelligence on the ground, working with the local emergency management agencies. We're trying to gather as much local intelligence as we can so we can respond to reports of people still missing, still trapped alive inside the building.
And you gather the intelligence, you know that there's a young lady in here. How do you go about it?
Okay, so we're currently working for a heavy rescue team, so we've got the ability to use our search cameras to core holes through walls and look through into the other side to locate casualties. Then we can use heavy braking equipment and drills, so you can hear that in the background there. We can then shore up the openings that we created to make it safe so we can enter into the building. So what we're doing in the building behind is actually entering the building next door to keep the crews safe, penetrate into the next building that's all collapsed.
For someone like me, it's hard to believe that someone can be like layer on layer on layer of floors of the building, which must have been what?
Yeah, something like that, yes.
I mean, how does someone survive this?
I mean, when a building collapses, there's always survivable voids, depending on how it collapses. The building behind me is pancake. The side of the building.
Ne oldu ki?
Kaç odun lazım? Enişte kaç odun lazım? Tamam.
Kemal ayrılmalısın. Ayrılmasın. Sound falan da. Ses falan aldı herhalde. Ses duymuşlar. Ses alındı. Onlara götürüyoruz.
Ses almazlar mı? Yabancılar var.
Öyle mi?
Bunları görüyorum ben şu an.
Ha, ses aldık bize de geldi.
We can't take it, right? We can't.
Ne?
Bu şekilde yapıyorlar.
Okay, got it. 4 parça alabiliriz. Thank you.
Can we find a machine to cut the walls?
Wales better. I mean, we love our fellow Celts, but see we're playing them in the rugby tomorrow. I'm not too keen. You go out, yeah.
No, I'll get this. I'll go.
What was it now? I didn't catch it. No, the lady from Wales.